Right. Decided to start moving motorcycles. Oh my god. I hate moving motorcycles around. Apart from the fact that I'm crap at it. I know some people do it and they just make it look easy, don't they? Oh, you know, dog's whining away. Beth, shut up. I think she wants to go and sit in the car. Stupid hound. Right, I've got one out. Marvellous. Right. Whose idea that ramp was, I don't know. Suddenly looking a bit smaller in here now. So I'm pushing that one over a bit really, couldn't I? Right. That's better. He says I don't do any exercise. Oh, right. Yeah, I should have done the floor first really, shouldn't I? I'm not sure what it's going to be like. Like that. Oh, dear. I can always do it after, I suppose. Right, are they going to stay there? Well, that one is. That one, yeah, should be alright. Just moving it across really. Right. Take the keys out. Not that anyone's going to drive off with them. Put the door back on. Right, obviously I had to move the Pajero as well before I could open the door. Well, yeah, that didn't go terribly well. I could do the sit down really. I don't know how to sit. Yes, well, it started alright. Charged up the battery, fired up like I've been fired up the day before. The fact that it hasn't actually started in 3 years is quite impressive. Only problem is I put my foot on the clutch pedal and it just went ping straight to the floor. No resistance at all. It's almost like it's become disconnected. But it's a hydraulic clutch, so I don't know. Even if the master cylinder starts going wrong, it should be like some kind of resistance, but it's just absolutely nothing at all. So I thought perhaps it got water in, so I tried bleeding it yesterday, but it just doesn't do anything. So I'm thinking perhaps the seals come off the rod bit. in the master cylinder. I could probably manage a new master cylinder myself. Only about 30 quid, so that's a job for another day. So I had to move it forward on the starter motor, which was interesting. Once it fired up, it's like, yeah, turn it off! Before I disappear into my neighbour's garage. Right, I need to tidy all this lot up. Plan is to get one of them ramp things to go there. What do they call them? Bench? Yeah, bench ramp workshop things. What you lift motorbikes with. Perhaps it's a motorcycle lift. I think that's perhaps it's just a motorcycle lift. And just so I have a general tidy up and get this workshop operating a bit more. I think that's the problem. I just kind of ground to a halt with bikes. It's just got so difficult to work on them. I just kind of gave up really. So now I've managed to get a couple out of here. I can here. I'll start getting that one running really. E-Reach. Can't even think what that is now. 87 Honda 400 CBR. CBRR. They called it the baby blade. And yeah, I think it cost me 375 quid. Whenever it was in, I wish I was going to check the tyres, wasn't I think it's two. Where are we? They should have a date on them. Date. I did look this up before. Oh, really? Yeah. 2012. Yeah. Well, that's kind of when I finished it, so I probably bought it in 2011 or so. And well, there's a video on that online somewhere. I say a video. It's more of a slideshow of Keris Matthews. Well, I like it anyway. Yeah. So now it's kind of the idea was not to spend too much money on it. I mean, you can just throw money at these things. It's more an investment, really. And a winter project. So yeah. So I don't know how much I actually spent on it in the end. Stripped it all down. Still knackered. The suspension's all been redone and uprated. So they usually sit quite low, but this thing sits kind of almost motocross height now. They got them from, is it Graham France Racing? It's actually got a CBR 600 rear shock on. Refurbished, which is now adjustable. Well, you see that down there? I don't know where I'm pointing it now. Ooh, where is it? Oh, there you go. Adjustable. Rebound and that. Oh yeah, well, I don't really know. I can't remember now. So long ago. So yeah. Anyway, it rides. Well, I don't know what a GP bike rides like, but it just corners like nothing on earth. And it weighs nothing. But obviously, it's not as quick as bigger bikes. Because it weighs nothing, it can brake so much later. And just chuck it into a corner and it just goes. So yeah, it'd be nice to get that running. I'll get a new set of fairings. It's like, I can't remember what they are, on eBay. 300 quid from China. Fit them. Oh, it kind of looks a bit tatty underneath. I don't really know what to do with these bits. Obviously it's run down the road a bit. We do some air in the tyres for a start. But yeah, right. Yeah. This is one of my, I don't know, I get bored sometimes. Actually no, that's the original, isn't it? Right, yeah, so this is, does it say on there? Oh, I forgot what it is now. Honda MT, I don't know. It's a V-twin. Anyway, I decided that on them, I can't even think what that's called now. Brain ache. Photoshop. I'd do my own little Street Fighter version of it. I came up with that. Well, it looks interesting. Maybe I'll get around to doing one day. Once I've got a workshop running. Right, anyway, I'm clearing up crap, aren't we? Hold on. GS6R exhaust. Problem is, I've got to get the stud out. Right. I might. I was thinking I could do that being a bit further forward, but probably not actually. Although I've got to get bicycle in as well. Right. Oh dear. Right. Let the work begin. Yeah, not now though. Right. It's 1 o'clock.